What changes? Whales are beginning to stir. Money in the US is changing hands in the millions and billions. There has never been anything like the buzz. People are yelling for the whales to stop. Things got really out of hand with them. There is no bull market either. This is a considerably broader matter than that. If I'm feeling this well, then what gives? If you ask me, today is a watershed moment for Shiba Inu and the entire cryptocurrency industry. Thus, let us look into it. Introducing Wealthy Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and how to predict its future. Make sure to hit the like button if you want to see more terrible news. A shocking event occurred in the crypto realm at the start of today. A 2.6-year-old Shiba Inu whale address suddenly appeared out of nowhere. In just 3 hours, this whale bought about 323 billion Shiba Inu with wrapped Ethereum. This unexpected move caught everyone off guard. There has been no movement or major changes to the Shiba Inu price for a sum now. However, this whale's actions altered the course of events. The local people was once again agitated by the noticeable increase in the price of Shiba Inu as a result of the massive acquisition. Despite how rare it is, incidents of this kind are crucial. Speculation and attention typically ensue whenever a large holder makes a move, especially when they have been silent for an extended period of time. Trade volume and price go up as people get excited about what might happen next. It gets even more outlandish from here. The blockchain surveillance system Spot on-chain was the first to notice this whale's activities. The original 167 billion Shiba Inu were sent to this location in April 2021, just 8 months after the breed was created. One of the earliest whales to interact with Shiba Inu was the original source of these coins. One ought to pay close attention to this. One of the initial main characters in Shiba Inu has a connection to this whale, making it significant. The market might feel the effects of early whale's profound wisdom. Because of its connection to one of the first notable Shiba Inu figures, the whale's recent resurgence in activity is so noteworthy. New levels of speculation and interest are sparked by it. 3 months after purchasing the 167 billion Shiba Inu, this whale staked all of the tokens in July 2021, speculating on the likely future advancements of the cryptocurrency. On October 24, 2021, 3 months later, he unstaked them and got an additional 12.9 million Shiba Inu. All 167 billion tokens were sold by the whale on that very day. The last bull run for Shiba Inu occurred in October 2021 when the price reached a new all-time high. Consequently, the sale was very rational. The whale profited from the peak prices by selling off his holdings. Following those sales, the whale address was silent. Up until now, no one has given it a second thought. The unexpected resurgence of this address coincides with the apparent impending explosion of the bull market. Over the course of the night, the whale made an astounding 156 deals, moving millions if not billions of Shiba Inu, according to Spot. On-chain, the whale spent $3.8 million on over 1,000 wrapped Ethereum tokens to buy almost 150 billion Shiba Inu. Nonetheless, the whale persisted. As soon as the news broke, he went out and bought 173 billion Shiba Inu. By the end of the 3-hour buying spree, the whale had traded 3.23 billion Shiba Inu tokens for about 2,000 bundled Ethereum, a total worth of over $8 million. So far, the whale has failed to sell any of these coins. His Shiba Inu balance is at 323 billion tokens. And everyone has certainly taken note of this sudden awakening. Curiously, this whale's holdings consist entirely of Shiba Inu. In addition, his other assets are not very substantial. Nobody knows if the whale would repeat his 2021 strategy of staking Shiba Inu tokens for 3 months before selling them. He invested $600,000 on 167 billion Shiba Inu in 2021 and made $5.6 million in October off of their tremendous jump in value. This well-planned gamble yielded a tidy $5 million return in just 3 months. Continuing in the same vein, he has a chance of holding on to the 323 billion tokens he recently obtained until the market explodes again. Regardless, whatever happens next, this is definitely a great sign. An indication of future pricing confidence would be a whale buying so many Shiba Inu. This Shiba Inu whale's actions are fascinating in and of itself, but they mirror a pattern observed throughout the cryptocurrency market. The longtime Bitcoin buyers known as whales have started buying Bitcoin again since December. As I mentioned in my previous video, the market dynamics have changed and long-term Bitcoin holders are buying again. As the selling pressure from these investors has decreased, Bitfinex's analysts saw a noticeable increase in purchasing activity. The last time Bitcoin whales gathered was in December, just before Bitcoin ads were authorized. The event caused Bitcoin's value to reach a new record high and caused the Shiba Inu's price to triple in a matter of days. What this means is that these whales have made some astute observations or maybe even have insider information on the market changes that are about to happen. It is possible that the present actions of these whales foretell the impending occurrence of another significant market event. The future of Shiba Inu is intriguing, especially in light of the optimistic outlook of Bitcoin whales, and there's a 79% correlation between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin. As a result, it always follows the Bitcoin price closely. An old Shiba Inu whale has just joined the fun, and things are about to become wild. Lots of speculation and chatter around major players making moves. The recent activity of Shiba Inu whales and Bitcoin suggests that significant price movement could be on the horizon. With more people looking to buy, prices could go even higher as a result of this uptick in activity. And it's equivalent to a domino effect. More capital is attracted, leading to more demand as confidence rises. When Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, two whales in the cryptocurrency market, get back together, it might be a sign that another big spike is on the horizon. And yet, this is merely the very beginning. This is a really significant day. For Bitcoin AD, yesterday was the 16th day in a row of inflows, totaling about $1 billion. This is the second biggest wave of inflows since the ETF began, which is absolutely absurd. The initial influx of ETFs caused a shift in Bitcoin's value from 37,000 to 73,000. The second wave has only just started today. Crypto enthusiasts and investors are currently witnessing an unprecedented level of excitement and buzz. These improvements are creating quite a stir in the industry. Prices tend to rise when there is strong institutional interest, as evidenced by the significant inflows into Bitcoin ads. Due to the high volume of transactions into Bitcoin ads from both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, or whales, everyone is on the edge of their seat, anticipating another big surge. People are watching the cryptocurrency market closely to see how much prices might increase, so it's an exciting time to be involved. In any case, let's look at this strange fact. Just recently, BlackRock surpassed Grayscale, which was valued at over $20 billion thanks to Bitcoin. Even more astounding is the fact that their biggest ETF took 3 years to reach $20 billion, whereas the Bitcoin NTF only took 137 days. It says a lot about the potential of cryptocurrencies that the difference is so large. The interest of traditional investors in digital assets is on the rise. There appears to be a global movement toward acknowledging cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class, as evidenced by the rapid growth of Bitcoin and DEF. This shows that the cryptocurrency business is growing and gaining traction with investors and big banks worldwide. Beyond that, there has been a noticeable uptick in Shiba Inu activities as of late. A staggering 3,400% increase occurred in the number of new accounts in just one day. According to data from Shibarium Scan, the number of new accounts on the network increased significantly, going from 30 to more than 1,000 overnight. This indicates a notable rise in user engagement. At this point, is this merely an accident? Another possibility is that Shiba Inu investors are preparing for a potential bull run. It is possible that they are getting ready in a rather organic way. This heightened activity typically precedes substantial price fluctuations as additional investors join the market. Picture this: you're walking down a busy city street when suddenly the flow of customers